Right, the very first camera I ever got were actually an iGeek IP camera. Luckily, it ran on the sricam app, or sricam app, because I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce your name. Yeah, so that was the first one I ever got, which, like I say, it was pretty good. Worked on your app. The second one I got was this one. Now, it's the SPO20, is it? Hang on, sorry, let me have a look. I'm pretty sure it's the SPO20, isn't it? SPO20, but it's the older one without the LAN support. Because I've actually, this is the one that's broken, but I've actually replaced it now. I've actually replaced it with, it must be the updated model. Yeah, the updated model's got an aerial on it and it's got a LAN. Now obviously the one I got hasn't got a LAN. I dropped it off this windowsill here onto the floor. I actually dropped it 4 times and the 4th time it actually broke. I will show you now. The board, because I've taken the board out because it's pretty simple really. Yeah, so I need this board really. The power connector broke off. As you can see, the power connector's there. You know, I've asked about a couple of people, but nobody's got the right type of no one's got the right type of solder to be able to do it, unfortunately. So this board is SPO20 Connect V10. Yeah, so like I say, I started with the iGeek, then I got that one for the back, and then I got that one to point east, because I'm into weather, you see, and then I got that one to point west, and then I got that one to point south, and like I say, I've just got this other one to replace the one that I've broken, unfortunately, but I wouldn't mind getting that one working again, tell you the truth. It's just that board. Surely I must be able to get another board, surely. Just that board, that's all I need. It'd be nice. But I mean, the house is secure again now. But I wouldn't mind. You know, if you can't buy spare parts, I will just keep looking around until I do find someone that can fix this. It's just a shame that it's broken, really. Well, that's life. So yeah, that's the spare part I need. And then I'd have all 6 cameras working. Actually, I don't know whether my router would take all 6 cameras. I'm pretty sure it would, but yeah. So I love my sricam cameras. I really do. The best thing since sliced bread. For me, anyway, personally. I just love them. I just need that spare part, though. If you can help. If you can help. Surely it wouldn't cost too much to send one of them through the post, would it? Even from China. Anyway, thank you in advance. If you can help, we shall see.